All right, we're going to continue on and create the person class. I changed my inheritance structure just a bit because only a cow, a dog, and a pig are workable. And a farmer is going to be workable, but a person is just too generic to do work. So I'm going to skip that in this case. Okay, I have copied some information from the dog class, work, speak, move, and characteristics. Actually, I don't need work because I'm not going to implement workable. And I'm ready to create a new class. This is a person class. It is public. A person is still an animal. Okay. And it is not going to implement the workable interface, but just for fun, I think we'll add the comparable interface. You may need to search for it. And when you do that, it will give you a generic type, and we will type that as a person. And I'm going to go ahead and finish. The superclass looks fine for right now, but I'm going to add some additional member variables. So not only does a person have a name, but we're going to add another member variable, private int my age. Okay, so we'll adjust the constructor just a little bit to include an age. And we'll call the super constructor first because you have to. And then we'll say that my age equals age. And I'm going to quickly save. So to speak, I'm just going to say I speak words with my mouth. And to move, I walk on 2 legs. In terms of characteristics, what should we do? I am a student at PRHS. Cool. Okay, so we should probably see if we can, ooh, it doesn't like this, add in the unimplemented methods. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do this as a person. And I'm just going to call it other for now. And save that and see if it likes it. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to come back up here and make this a person as well so that we're in the correct type. All right, so let's see what I'd like to do. We've got move. We probably better have some getters and setters. I always forget where this is. Generate getters and setters for my age. And let's go ahead and generate those guys. So they're in there, don't have to worry about those. All right, so gosh, we haven't been doing toStrings, have we? Gosh and golly. So let's write a toString, public string, toString. And we may need to go back to our previous classes and write that. So return, and I'm going to say super.toString. And then I'm going to say plus age. And then I'll say plus my age. Okay. That is not a method. Doink, doink. Should like that. Saving that. I'm going to just check real quick to see if these others have a toString. I don't think we need to overwrite it with anything because we have a toString here. So a person's just going to have a little bit more information in their toString. Not only will they output the animal's toString, which happens to be my name is Barb and I am a person. That's how that would output. And then in addition to that, it would say age : 35, something like that. All right, so it looks like here the only thing we really need to do is focus in on the compare to method, right? And what do we know about compare to? Well, if it either returns a positive number, a negative number, or it returns 0 if they're equal. So equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the age of this object to the other person's object and return 1 if the age of this object is larger. So if my age is greater than the other dot get age, okay? And now it's going to have an issue with that. So why is it having an issue? Well, let's see what it says. Change to get age, add a cast to other. Yes, we do want to add a cast to other. And that cast that we want it to be is a person. Okay, and now what doesn't it like? It probably wants to set a parentheses around I'm not seeing it. I'm going to pause here. All right, I'm back, hopefully, and I found my error. My error was simply that I didn't have get my age, and I thought it was just get age. So with that, I will continue on. All right, so this is waiting for a return statement because I didn't finish it. So we'll just return 1 here. And I'm just going to copy this. Woo! Cool. I'm going to reverse this. Yeah. I'm going to return -1, and that should do it. Otherwise, I'm just going to return 0. Saving this, and hopefully we are all set and ready to go.